So far we've got like 4. It's still raining and thundering and lightning out here. This. You hear another one coming. You hear it winding down Southport to get here. I haven't seen it go up in flames for a while. Oh, so the guy who lives there, he's in his truck. His lights are on. And the firemen are going in the back. Did they put it out? I think they put it out. Now they're just getting there with their hose. Oh my, it's still thundering. Very exciting night out here. Oh, look, here comes another one. This is very exciting. Oh, he's going to another place. James, unless he's just going around the block is what he's doing. Oh, here comes somebody else. So that's... Wow. I wonder if that's the ambulance. So this guy's taken off. The EMT's down there. It's an ambulance. In case somebody gets struck by lightning, maybe. We're in the backyard with flashlights. Zorro's under the bed, no doubt. So this guy's turning around. I can't figure out what he's doing. Oh, see that one is coming up. Like I said, he went around the block. That guy's going around the... Nope. He is turning around. It's just insanity. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and an EMT.